What's cooking, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm making this easy pasta salad with my homemade dressing. This pasta salad is great for the spring and summer months that are coming up, but also this is really great as an appetizer for Ramadan, for your iftar. It has all the most important nutrients that you would need to break your fast, like carbohydrates, a little protein from the cheese, some vegetables, and also good fats from the olive oil. So stay tuned for the recipe. Do consider subscribing so you can see what's cooking with me, and also hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's get cooking. Let's start by cooking the pasta first. For that, I have here a pot full of water on medium-high heat, and I want this to come to a full boil. Once the water comes to a boil, you want to add plenty of salt in there. You want it to taste like seawater basically, because this is the only chance you'll get to season the pasta. I'm using this bow tie style pasta. I won't even try to pronounce that F word, but you can use any style or shape of pasta that you want. I'm going to be using half of the box in here, but you can adjust that amount as you need. Mix this up in the hot water and cook it until it is al dente, or meaning that it still has a little bite to it and not completely soft. Drain out the water that the pasta cooked in, and then rinse it with cold or room temperature water so the cooking can stop. And now you can set this aside. And now let's make the homemade dressing. You can make this in a mason jar and store it too for other salads. I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil here. About 1/3 to half a cup is fine, depending on how much you are making. To this, I'll add some zest from 1 lemon to add some freshness in there, and also juice from half a lemon, but instead of lemon, you can also use vinegar. Then I have 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise here, 2 big garlic cloves that I minced. You can also use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder instead for a subtle flavor. I have 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese here, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, red chili flakes to my taste, but I added about half a teaspoon. I have dried parsley flakes here, about 1 teaspoon. Black pepper that I will freshly grind in there to my taste. And then lastly, some salt to my taste as well. And then just combine all those wonderful ingredients together till they are incorporated really well. I added a little more olive oil to adjust the consistency of the dressing. And then this dressing is great on a lot of other salads too. So you can make it anytime and just store it in the fridge until you're ready to drizzle it on a salad. You will also need 1 green pepper and 1 yellow pepper cut into thin slices like this. I have 16 ounces of mozzarella cheese here that I cut into these cubes. I have 1 pack of grape tomatoes here that I sliced in half. 1 red onion that I also sliced thinly like the peppers. And then a few tablespoons of fresh basil leaves that I have chopped. And of course, the wonderful homemade dressing we just made. And now let's assemble the salad. In a large bowl here, which wasn't large enough, you want to add all the pasta that we cooked. To this, I'm going to add the sliced grape tomatoes and also the sliced red onions, and then the peppers as well. I soon realized that I needed a bigger bowl here, so I transferred everything into a bigger bowl. And now add the cheese in there, and then the homemade dressing, of course. And let's not forget the chopped fresh basil. And then let's mix this up really well. This is the biggest bowl I have at home. I guess I need a bigger one to make these types of salads. But yeah, just combine all those fresh ingredients together till the dressing coats everything and adds flavor to the whole salad. And I'm going to be serving a nice portion of this for myself right now because I absolutely love this salad. It has so many different textures going on, as well as flavors from the dressing, but also the ingredients itself. I'm going to top it off with fresh basil leaves to make it look pretty. And you're gonna love this salad, not only for spring and summer for your barbecue and cookout parties, but any time of the year this is great. If you add protein to the salad, you have a whole meal in and of itself. So definitely give this one a try. So So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my easy pasta salad recipe with the homemade dressing. This is going to be great for the summer months, for your barbecues or your cookouts. But as I said, it's also really good for Ramadan to break your fast with as an appetizer, or even as a small meal with your favorite protein like chicken, fish, or whatever protein that you prefer. So if you enjoyed today's recipe, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Until then, take care of yourselves.